We'll start the music now. Please be ready.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Bharadamuni Natyathan is one of the curtain raiser programs of the 9th Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair, which opens on 23rd up to 29th January 2018 at Guru Nanak College, Velachery, Chennai. Thank you.
Satgurubhyo Namaha. Prayer for Humanity. Maitrim Bhajata, penned by the sage of Kanchi, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal, the 68th Peethadipati of the illustrious Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham, is presented as the opening number. This song was originally sung by Bharat Ratna Dr. M.S. Subbalakshmi at the United Nations. The meaning is, cultivate friendship and win the hearts. Look upon others as you would like to be looked upon. Avoid war, cheap rivalry and undue aggression. Mother Earth is ready to grant your desires and our Universal Father is ever merciful. Cultivate self-control, charity and mercy. May the whole humanity thrive.
Maitrim bhajata akhilat jetri. Maitrim bhajata akhilat jetri. Atmavadeva paranabi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranabi pashyata. Yudham tyajata swardham tyajata. Yudham tyajata swardham tyajata. Tyajata pareshwar kramamakramanam. Tyajata pareshwar kramamakramanam. Maitrim bhajata akhilat jetri. Janani prithvi kamanugaste. Janani prithvi kamanugaste. Janako devah sakala dayanu. Janako devah sakala dayanu. Namyata dayatvam jana
We next have a couple of lines from an Upanishad. It says, "This entire creation is a manifestation of God. Enjoy that which has been endowed and do not desire to rob others."
ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृधत्तस्य स्विद्धनम्। ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता।
The song says, "We sing and dance your peace. Give us peace."
परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே, परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபோ கணபதே, गणपते गणपते। आदिमूल गणनाथ गजानन अद्भुत धवल स्वरूपा, आदिमूल गणनाथ गजानन अद्भुत धवल स्वरूपा। देव देव जय विजय विनायक, देव देव जय विजय विनायक। चिन्मय पर शिव दीपा, चिन्मय पर शिव दीपा। प्रभो गणपते, परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாये प्रभो गणपते गणपते गणपते। தேடி தேடி எங்கும் ஓடுகின்றார் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே, தேடி தேடி எங்கும் ஓடுகின்றார் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே। கோடி கோடி மத யானைகள் பணி செய்ய, கோடி கோடி மத யானைகள் பணி செய்ய குன்றென விளங்கும் பெம்மானே, குணகுன்றென விளங்கும் பெம்மானே। பிரபோ गणपते, परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते 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 गणपते।
Inculcate family and human values. The first lesson that a child of a Hindu family learns is that our mother, father and teacher are God in visual form. Mother teaches the alphabets and fosters love. Father teaches us to think. Guru imparts knowledge. God removes obstacles. This Malayalam song, Mata Pita Guru Devam.
Tam tam, dhim dhim, tam tam, dhim dhim, tam tatta dhim tatta tam tatta dhim tatta tam takatiku takita tum dhim tatta takatiku takita tum tam takatiku takita tum takatiku takita tum takatiku takita tum।
माता पिता गुरु देवं, माता पिता गुरु देवं, माता पिता गुरु देवं।
foster women's honor. Hail the feminine and dance her glory. May the feminine qualities be victorious. It is this quality which glorifies the mother and the friend. Let there be love for all. Love the beloved. Sorrow is removed only by women, for she is the mother of valorous sons. This Bharatiyar song
Bhanutanam tarita kundari kittataka tajanutanam taritaka tarita Bhanutanam tarita kundari kittataka tajanutanam taritaka tarite Bhanutanam taritaka tarita tajanutanam taritaka tarite Takatarita takatarite takatarita takatarite takatarita
பெண்மை வாழ்கின்ற கூத்திடுவோமடா பெண்மை வெல்கின்ற கூத்திடுவோமடா தன்மை இன்பம் புண்ணியம் சேர்ந்தன தாயும் பெயரும் சகி என்ற நாமமும் பெண்மை வாழ்கின்ற கூத்திடுவோமடா அன்பு வாழ்கின்ற மைதியில் ஆடுவோம் ஆசை காதலை கை கொட்டி வாழ்த்துவோம் அன்பு வாழ்கின்ற மைதியில் ஆடுவோம் ஆசை காதலை கை கொட்டி வாழ்த்துவோம் இன்பம் தீர்வது பெண்மையினாலடம் சூழ பிள்ளைகள் தாய் என்று போற்றுவோம் இன்பம் தீர்வது பெண்மையினாலடம் சூழ பிள்ளைகள் தாய் என்று போற்றுவோம் பெண்மை வாழ்கின்ற கூத்திடுவோமடா பெண்மை வெல்கின்ற கூத்திடுவோமடா தன்மை இன்பம் புண்ணியம் சேர்வன தாயின் பெயரும் சகி என்ற நாமமும் பெண்மை வாழ்கின்ற கூத்திடுவோமடா
The Ideal Home. This Hindi song defines an ideal home. If in a house there is multani earth powder for the glow of the face, where there is water in the pot, where there is puja for tulsi and sweets as prasadam, where the grandmother has a space, where there is an ideal kitchen and where there is obedience, there is strength to bear. Where there is tradition alive, the birds are fostered, where the Gita and Ramayana are studied, there is blessing of Narayana. Where wheat is ground, there is a good stove, where there is respect for women, where the ancestors are worshipped, and where the sun rays give light, that home will have a shower of happiness. Where guests are welcomed, where uncles and aunts are around, where there is a garden with fruits for preparing the juice, where the champa flowers blossom, where there is always auspicious words, where the children play around, where the bangles and the anklets jingle, where the women glow with kajal, that home will be the ideal home. This is performed by Samyukta Raman.
Tadinnam takundari kittataka takadinnam takundari kittataka tadinnam takundari kittataka takadinnam takundari kittataka takatari kittatum takatari kittatum takatari kittatum
जिस घर में मिट्टी मुल्तानी जिस घर में मटके का पानी जिस घर में तुलसी की पूजा जिस घर में मीठा घर पूजा जिस घर में दादी के किस्से उस घर के
Tadinnam takundari kittataka takadinnam takundari kittataka तरिकिटतुम तक तरिकिटतुम तक तरिकिटतुम।
जिस घर में सुनने की आदत, जिस घर में सहने की आदत, जिस घर में अतवार का डेरा, जिस घर में पंछी का फेरा, जिस घर में गीता रामायण, उस घर भर से नकड़ नारायण।
तद्दिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तकदिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तद्दिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तकदिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तक तरिकिटतुम तक तरिकिटतुम तक तरिकिटतुम।
जिस घर में आटे की चक्की, जिस घर में ईंटें मोमबत्ती, जिस घर में नारी का मान, जिस घर में मूर्खों की शान, जिस घर में सूरज की किरणें, उस घर में खुशियों के झरने।
तद्दिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तकदिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तद्दिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तकदिन्नं तकुन्दरिकिटतक तक तरिकिटतुम तक तरिकिटतुम तक तरिकिटतुम।
जिस घर में मेहमान बाजी, जिस घर में काकी काजी, जिस घर में दलिए का सीरा, जिस घर में तुमदा जलजीरा, जिस घर में चंपा के डाले, उस घर की भई बात निराली। जिस घर में चब्बी का चल्ला, जिस घर में बच्चों का हल्ला, जिस घर में चूड़ी की घंघन, जिस घर में पायल की छन छन, जिस घर में मैना खजरारी, उस घर की महिमा न्यारी, उस घर की महिमा न्यारी, उस घर की महिमा न्यारी।
Preserve ecology. Hinduism validates all creation as a manifestation of God. We propitiated the elephant-headed Ganapati. Now, this is a song to propitiate Gomata, that is mother cow. Here is a Telugu song praising and praying to her. It says, "Oh, our Gomata, prostrations to you. You drink just the water that cleansed our rice, but you give us your milk. Grazing the grass, you give us wealth. With no expectations, you endowed us with a couple of bulls. In hot sun and rain, they till our lands. Without cattle, there is no food. Come to protect the cow, otherwise we cannot thrive. Our cows are disappearing. Come to protect them. When we are all here in our country, it is shameful to kill our cows."
దండాలు 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 యమ కుమారా, అండా దండాలి వేనమ కుమారా. దండాలు 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 యమ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ కుమార కుడిది తాగినట్టి మేలుకే మా కడవ నిండా పాలు పోసినవు పిడికేడంత గడ్డి పరగకే నీవు గడప గడప పడి నింపినవు ఇంటనాల పొందు లేకుండా కాడెత్తులని మాకిచ్చినవు ఎంతకెందినవు వానరాని నవ్వు ఎగరాల మన్నును నీనవు దండాలు 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 యమ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ గోవులు ఉంటేనే తిండి మనకే గోమాతే ఆధారమండి గోవుని కాపాడరండి గోవు లేకుండే సాగని బండి అంతమవుతున్నాయి గోవులు మనమంతా రక్షించాలి రండి ఇంతమంది దేశ ప్రజలందరుండగా గోహత్యలు సిగ్గు చేయడండి దండాలు 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 యమ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ కుమార దండాలు 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 యమ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ కుమార మా అండా దండ నీవేనమ్మ కుమార
Sustain environment. This song is composed in Kannada by poet Nisar Ahmed. In the twilight of dawn, on the tip of the tall crops which oscillate in breeze, in the happiness of standing on the peak of the Sahyadri mountain, with the greenery of tall teak trees and fragrance of sandalwood grove, O Mother Nature, we celebrate your festival every day. The cool Himalayas, glorified in the Itihasas and the Puranas, with throne-like peaks all around, in the series of Shastras proclaiming the victory of the one who rides the Garuda, in the beauty of the tips of the peacock feather used to pen the palm leaves, in the paintings on the walls of the temples, you are the cause of beauty, O Mother Nature. My daily festive obeisance to you. O Mother of immeasurable grace, who adds pride to all tribes, you are the cause of our bliss. Your glory is immanent to the ends of our globe. Accept our daily festival for you.
ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆಯತನ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹಗಳಿನ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಲೆಗರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಗುಲಗಳ ಭೇಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಕುಲವೆಮ್ಮಯ ಸಿರಿಮಯೇ ಕುಲವೆಮ್ಮಯ ಗರಿಮಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಲಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆಯೇ ಹೇ ಹರ್ಷದ ಹಲಗುದಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗಯತನ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದಲ್ಲಿನ ತುಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ निलये नित्योत्सवा ताये नित्योत्सवा
Hail, Tulasi Mata! Victory to you, Tulasi Mata! You bestow well-being on all. You have been eternally and extensively protecting the whole humanity from this cycle of birth and death.
जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता। सब जग की सुखदाता वरदाता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता। सब युगों के ऊपर, सब लोगों के ऊपर, रज से रक्षा करके भवत्राता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता। लेकर जन्म विजन में आई दिव्या भवन में, मानव लोक तुम्हीं से सुख संपत्ति पाता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, जय 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 तुलसी माता। सब जग की सुखदाता वरदाता, जय 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 तुलसी माता, 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 जय 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 तुलसी माता।
Conserve forest and protect wildlife. This Marathi song is one of the abhangs of Saint Tukharam. Trees are our relatives who make the forests. The birds call us through their chirpings. In the forest full of trees, we taste joy and enjoy the solitude. This solitude removes all our negative qualities. Here, the sky is our roof and earth is our seat. It is this environment that arouses our mind and plays gleefully. Our physique is also relaxed. This enjoyment is for all humanity. Hail Panduranga!
वृक्षवल्ल्याम्भा सोयरे वचरे, वृक्षवल्ल्याम्भा सोयरे वनचरे, पक्षिः सुस्वरे आलवीति, पक्षिः सुस्वरे आलवीति। हिने सुखे रुचे एकताचा वास, हिने सुखे रुचे एकताचा वास। नाही गुण दोष अंग येते, नाही गुण दोष अंग येते। आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसन, आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसन। रमेते ते मन क्रीडा करी, रमेते ते मन क्रीडा करी। कथा कमंडलू देह Panduranga, 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 Panduranga.
Protect wildlife. This Telugu song is in praise of the Naga or serpent. Welcome, O beautiful Naga. When we mop the floor, draw the rangoli and get the fragrant jasmine strewn, you descend as though dancing the kolatam. When the women go to draw water from the well, you, the little serpent, is very much there. When kids go to gather twigs, you are inside there, Nagappa. With high mountains on both sides, there is the Nagamalai in the center where you reside, O Nagappa. This is presented by Aditi Venkat and Samyukta Raman. This duet gives you the idea of one blowing the gourd or the magudi, and the neighboring dancer who is nimble will bend portraying the serpentine movements. Ideal life with ideal surroundings. National poet Subramanya Bharati has a prayer to our Universal Mother to give him an ideal life with bountiful blessings of Mother Nature and man-made architecture leading to the kingdom of poetry. He says, "Give me a piece of land, O Mother. Let me have a castle with pillars of intricate design and purity of color. Let me have a grove of coconut palm with a cool full moonlight like the glitter of pearl. Let the song of the cuckoos reach my ears along with the pleasantness of cool breeze. To share my song, give me a wife of chastity. To add to our pleasure, let us receive a bunch of poems. O Mother, you must protect our grove and make me worthy of guarding this world with my poetry.
காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் அங்கு தூணில் அழகியதாய் நன்மாடங்கள் தூய நிறத்தினவாய் அந்த காணி நிலத்திடையே ஓர் மாளிகை கட்டித்தர வேண்டும் அங்கு தேனி அருகினிலே தென்னை மரம் கீற்றும் இளநீரும் 10-12 தென்னை மரம் பக்கத்திலே வேண்டும் 10-12 தென்னை மரம் பக்கத்திலே வேண்டும் நல்ல முத்துச்சுடர் போலே நில ஒளி முன்பு வர வேண்டும் அங்கு கத்தும் குயிலோசை சற்றே வந்து காதில் பட வேண்டும் என்ற சித்தம் மகிழ்ந்திடவே நன்றாயிரம் தென்றல் வர வேண்டும் பாட்டு கலந்திடவே அங்கே ஒரு பத்தினி பெண் வேண்டும் பாட்டு கலந்திடவே அங்கே ஒரு பத்தினி பெண் வேண்டும் எங்கள் கூட்டுக்களியினிலே கவிதைகள் கொண்டு தர வேண்டும் அந்த காட்டு வெளியினிலே அம்மா நெஞ்சம் காவலுற வேண்டும் என்ற பாட்டு திறத்தாலே இவ்வையகத்தை பாலித்திட வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் காணி நிலம் வேண்டும் பராசக்தி காணி நிலம் வேண்டும்.
Instill patriotism. This is a popular Hindi song of pre-independence India which our soldiers and patriots used profusely for inspiring the marchers and the onlookers. It says, "March on with enthusiasm and facing the challenge, keeping in focus the goal of your life. You are the Lion of India with no fear for death. Smash the head of the enemies with slogans of valor. Let your courage grow with God's grace. Turn the enemy to dust. March to Delhi and alert our red fort and make our flag flutter."
बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा दम दम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा दम दम बढ़ाए जा तू शेर हिंद आगे मत बने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो शेर वतन बढ़ाए जा दम दम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा दम दम बढ़ाए जा तेरी हिम्मत बढ़ती रहे खुदा तेरी सुनता रहे जो सामने तेरे आगे तो खाक में मिलाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा चलो दिले पुकार के कभी निशा संभाल के लागिले पे गाड़ के लहराए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा.
Vande Mataram. We conclude this Bharatamuni Natyathon with the immortal song Vande Mataram, wherein the great Bengali poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee personified our nation as our mother. The concept of Bharata Mata instilled a profound sense of common self-esteem for awakening the freedom movement. It is that very identification of our country as our Divine Mother that leads the present generation into an optimistic future. The poet says, Vande Mataram, salutations to our Bharata Mata. She is surrounded by water and full of sweet fruits. With cool breeze from the mountains, she has the hue of bluish green with resplendent fertility. She is of golden hue after night. She is colorfully beautiful with the blossoming of flowers, which are like her smile. She is sweet-tongued with our languages. She is blissfully endowing. Salutations to her. She has crores of voices reverberating. She has crores of strong shoulders to wield the swords. How can anyone call her weak? She is enormously strong and helps us cross the ocean of births. She is strong to destroy the enemy. We salute her. O Mother, you are wisdom, you are dharma. You throb in our hearts. You are the life of our physique. You have our love for you in our hearts. Your form is enshrined all over. Salutations to you. You are Durga with the 10 Mahasiddhi. You are Lakshmi on the petals of lotus. You are Vani, the giver of knowledge. You are incomparable and the very sustainer. We salute you, Mother. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Sasya Shyamanam Mataram Vande
May I request all the dancers to please sit down? I have pleasure in announcing all the participants today. Disciples of Dr. Padma Subramaniam from Nrityodaya. Disciples of Srimati Revati Ravachandran. Disciples of Srimati Roja Kannan. Disciples of Srimati Sujata Mohan. Disciples of Srimati Chitra Muralidharan. Disciples of Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran. Students of the Natya Department, MGR Janaki College for Women. Disciples of Srimati Bhagyashree Satish. Disciples of Srimati Lata Ravi. Disciples of Srimati Nitya Shripati. Disciples of Srimati Chitra Gopinath. Disciples of Srimati Uma Anand. Disciples of Srimati Radha Mukundan. Disciples of Srimati Vani Gayatri. Disciples of Srimati Kavita Srinivas. Disciples of Srimati Varshini. Disciples of Srimati Hansini. Disciples of Srimati Uma Guhan. Disciples of Srimati Krishna Priya. Disciples of Srimati Gayatri Gopinath. Disciples of Srimati Lata Aravindan. Disciples of Srimati Kokila Srinivasan. Disciples of Srimati Vijay Lakshmi. Disciples of Srimati Vidya Manorajan. Srimati Divya Manorajan. Disciples of Srimati Kokilavani. Disciples of Srimati Padmini Achi from Bangalore. Disciples of Srimati Ramya Nedunjarian. Disciples of Srimati Shiva Darshini. Disciples of Dr. G.S. Vidya. Disciples of Sai Vidyalaya Rajakirpakam. Disciples of Srimati Shalini Vilasati. Disciples of Mrs. Archana. Students from Shasun College of Women. Students from Vivekananda Educational Society Group of Schools. Students from Wales Group of Institutions. Students from A.M. Jain School. Students from Devi Academy. Students from Ganeshan Matriculation School, Velacheri. Students from G.K. Shetty Hindu Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School. Students from the Punjab Association. Students from Surana Group of Schools. Students from DAV Group of Schools. Students from Jai Gopal Garodia. And students from the PSBB Group of Schools. Thank you.
Namaste. Those who missed this spectacular performance and those who wanted to see this performance and again, for them there is an opportunity. This web telecast link from kalakendra.com. இந்த முகவரியில் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை பார்த்து ரசிக்கலாம். I repeat, kalakendra.com. Bharatamuni Natyathon is one of the curtain raiser program of the 9th Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair, which is to be inaugurated on 23rd and will go on up to 29th January 2018 at Guru Nanak College, Velachery, Chennai. Now I request Srimati Aarti Ganesh, Pro-Chancellor, Wales University, Trustee for IMCTF, that is Initiative for Moral and Cultural Training Foundation, and Vice Chairman for the Reception Committee of the 9th HSSF 2018. Ma'am, welcome.
ஸ்ரீ குருபியோ நமஹா. கண்களுக்கும் செவிகளுக்கும் விருந்தளிக்கும் பரதமுனி நாட்டியத்தான் நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு வந்திருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் என் மாலை வணக்கங்கள். பரதமுனி நாட்டிய நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு முன்னிலை வகிக்கும் நாட்டிய பேரொளி கலாக்ஷேத்ரா நிறுவனத்தின் முன்னாள் இயக்குனர் திருமதி பிரியதர்ஷினி கோவிந்த் அவர்களை பரத்த கைதட்டலோடு அன்போடு வரவேற்கின்றேன். இந்த நாட்டிய சங்கமத்தின் அமைப்பாளரும் 75 ஆண்டுகள் பழமையான நித்யோதயா நடனப்பள்ளியின் தலைவரும் ஹிந்து ஆன்மீக மற்றும் சேவை கண்காட்சியின் வரவேற்பு குழுவின் தலைவருமான டாக்டர் பத்மா சுப்பிரமணியன் அவர்களை நம் எல்லாருடைய பலத்த கைகட்டல் பத்தாது, இந்த அத்தனை நடனத்தையும் அவர்கள்தான் வடிவமைத்தார்கள். அவர்களை வணங்கி வரவேற்கிறேன். இந்த வேள்வியில் பங்கெடுப்பவர்களையும் அவர்களுக்கு நடனம் கற்பித்த ஆசிரியர்களையும் மாணவிகளை அழைத்து வந்துள்ள பள்ளி, கல்லூரி மற்றும் பல்கலைக்கழகம் போன்ற நிர்வாகிகளையும் வருக வருக என இரு கரம் கூப்பி வரவேற்கின்றேன். மற்றும் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை கண்டு மகிழ வந்திருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் மனமார்ந்த வரவேற்பை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். இதற்காக கடுமையாக உழைத்த ஒவ்வொரு உள்ளங்களையும் பாராட்டி வரவேற்கிறேன். காவல்துறையினர் மற்றும் ஊர்காவலர் படையினர் மற்றும் எங்கள் அன்புக்குரிய ஊடக நண்பர்களையும் மற்றும் ஏனைய சகோதர சகோதரிகளையும் இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர், சவுண்ட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், லைட் ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்த அனைத்து அன்பு உள்ளங்களுக்கும் நன்றி. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் 4 கல்லூரிகள், 12 பள்ளிகள் மற்றும் 25 நடன பள்ளிகளை சேர்ந்த 3000 மாணவிகள் கலந்து கொண்டுள்ளனர் என்பதை பெருமையோடு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். குறிப்பாக நேற்று முன்தினம் நடந்த பாரதிய கானத்தா நிகழ்ச்சியை நேரடி ஒளிபரப்பு செய்த தூர்தர்ஷன் நிறுவனத்தாருக்கு என் நெஞ்சார்ந்த நன்றியையும் வணக்கத்தையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். ஹிந்து ஆன்மீக மற்றும் சேவை கண்காட்சியை மக்களிடம் கொண்டு செல்வதற்காக முன்னோட்ட நிகழ்ச்சிகளாக சுவாமி விவேகானந்தா ரத யாத்திரை, ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா யோகத்தான், விவேகானந்தா வாக்கத்தான், பாரதிய கானத்தான் போன்ற நிகழ்ச்சிகள் ஆண்டுதோறும் நடைபெறுகிறது. இந்த ஆண்டு புதிய வருவாக வருணா ஸ்விமத்தான், திரங்கா சைக்கிளத்தான், நாம சங்கீர்த்தனம் போன்றவற்றை அறிமுகப்படுத்தி இருக்கிறோம். அவற்றில் ஒன்றுதான் இங்கு நாம் அனைவரும் கண்டு களித்த பரதமுனி நாட்டியத்தான். பரதமுனி என்பவர் யார்? பரதமுனி என்பவர் நாட்டிய சாஸ்திரத்தை இயற்றியவர். பாவம், நடனம் இரண்டையும் சேர்த்து அரங்கேற்றியவர். அவருக்கு இந்த மாபெரும் நிகழ்ச்சியை அன்போடு அர்ப்பணிக்கிறோம். பரதமுடி நாட்டியம் என்பது நடன நிகழ்ச்சி மட்டுமல்ல, நடனத்தின் மூலம் இளைய சமுதாயத்திற்கு சிறந்த கருத்துக்களை எடுத்து போகும் ஒரு முயற்சிதான் இது. வனம் மற்றும் வனவிலங்குகளை பாதுகாத்தல், ஜீவராசிகளை பேணுதல், சுற்றுச்சூழலை பராமரித்தல், பெற்றோர் பெரியோர் மற்றும் ஆசிரியரை வணங்குதல், பெண்மையை போற்றுதல், நாட்டுப்பற்றை உணர்த்துதல் போன்ற 6 பண்புகளை முன்வைத்து இந்த நடனங்களை அரங்கேற்று பெறுகிறது. இந்நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு திரு கோபால் சுவாமி, ஃபார்மர் சீஃப் எலெக்ஷன் கமிஷனர் அவர்களையும் அன்போடு வரவேற்கிறோம். தமிழ், தெலுங்கு, கன்னடம், மலையாளம், மராத்தி, ஹிந்து, சமஸ்கிருதம் மற்றும் பெங்காலி உள்ளிட்ட 9 மொழிகளிலிருந்து 14 பாடல்களுக்குத்தான் நம் கலைஞர்கள் இப்பொழுது நடனமாடினார்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
This program is founded on the concepts of service fair Atmano Mokshatam Jagat Hitaya. Later it got transformed into the thematic fair based on the first verse of Isavasya Upanishad, which means everything down to the tiniest atom is divine and renounce enjoyment and not cover the wealth of others. The fundamental value manifests on the 6 themes, which namely conserve forest and protect wildlife, preserve ecology, sustain environment, inculcate family and human values, foster women's honor, instill patriotism. The 9th Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair 2018 expounds samskarams to imbibe the values inherent in the themes like recreate the reverence for trees through Vriksha Vandanam to conserve forest, regenerate respect for wildlife through Naga Vandanam to protect the wildlife, revive reverence for elephant through Gaja Vandanam, for cow through Go Vandanam, and for Tulasi through Tulasi Vandanam to preserve our ecology. Reinstate reverence for Mother Earth by Bhumi Vandanam and recall reverence for water bodies by Ganga Vandanam to sustain environment. Renew reverence for Mother and Father by Matru Pitru Vandanam and restore reverence for all visitors by Aditi Vandanam to build reverence for teachers by Acharya Vandanam to inculcate family and human values. Reverence for girl children through Kanya Vandanam and to reawaken the reverence for motherhood by Suvasini Vandanam and to foster the women's honor. Recreate the reverence for nation by Bharata Mata, rekindle for Paramveer awards to instill patriotism. So now I request Tirumati Raja Lakshmi, the company director, CSR consultant, vice chairperson, organizing committee and managing trustee of the IMCTF, trustee HSSF, to felicitate our chief guest, Rajalakshmi ma'am has now felicitated Tirumati Priyadakshini, Dr. Priyadakshini Govind. Now I request Rajalakshmi ma'am to felicitate Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. Priyadakshini Govind, to give a special address to all.
Namaskaram. My deep respects to Dr. Padma Subramania. Today, she has achieved and brought about a cultural revolution here in Rajaratnam Stadium. Today is truly a historic event. If this is only a curtain raiser for the 9th Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair, what is the fair going to be like? What a beautiful way of paying respects to this land that we come from, that we are fortunate to be born into. We always hear that art heals, that art transforms society, that art transforms people. But today we saw it, we see it with our eyes and hear it with our ears. What beautiful music, it's a national integration here, all different languages, and children, young, beautiful dancers from all over Chennai, Tamil Nadu or Chennai, all gathered together with such synchronicity, with such dedication, with such beauty. My hearty congratulations to all of you. And what a beautiful way. There's so much attention to detail. The 6 principles reflected in the Shatkonam, the beautiful designs that has been formed by the dancers, the attention to detail in the placements, the beautiful arrangements, the way the coordination of colors, creating a riot of colors, such beautiful music, and starting with the paying respects to harmony, to extolling friendship and peace, and ending with Vande Mataram, and on a very a fierce note of great reverence for this country that we come from, and taking courage to move forward with fierce pride in the values that we hold so sacred and dear. And such beautiful songs. What a way to understand the values of revering nature, of paying respects to our elders, to our acharyas, to our parents, to live in harmony with nature, to understand how crucial it is to protect environment. So much of detail and so much of attention has been taken to select the right songs, and how beautifully through music and dance these values, these core values, have been communicated with so much beauty. Truly, it's an overwhelming experience for all of us who are watching this, and the dancers here have danced with so much of love, and you could see the enthusiasm. And today I feel that truly we have seen a historic spectacle, and I hope that this is repeated in every city in our country. It's a huge effort, and again, my salutations to Dr. Padma Subramaniam. It's not easy to bring 3,000 artists together, to make sure that they all learn the movements and they perform with such beauty. Each and every one of you, my congratulations, and today is a day of great celebration. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now I request dancer come actor Sri Vineet to come and share his experiences after seeing this spectacular performance. In the meanwhile, I request Dr. Padma Subramaniam to share her experience in this unique endeavor and acknowledge various contributions for the success of this program.
Vineet is sitting along with the parents in the gallery. Can I request Vineet to come down, please? I don't know if he heard us calling him. Ah, here he is. Vineet அப்படின்னாக்க ஹியூமிலிட்டின்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த பேர் தகுந்தி உள்ள ஒரு ஆக்டர் டான்சர் இஸ் வினீத். அவர் இப்போ ராரா ஆட போகிறதில்ல, but he will give his தன்னுடைய experience of this program.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My pranams to all the respected and revered acharyas on the dais. My pranams to the wonderful dancers who've come here and the respected rasikas. It's absolutely spiritual and divine to be present here to experience this amazing event. We've all done Munjanma Sukridam, I feel, to witness something like this. And being a humble student, I can imagine the effort put in by these incredible artists. I think they all need a special standing ovation from us. That shows their to each and every one of the gurus who have trained them and the wonderful students. It shows their samarpanam, their tapasya to our culture, their gurus and this divine art form. I think only a revered acharya like Guru Dr. Padma Subramaniam can vision something like this and bring it to reality. Asashtanga pranams to you, Paduka, for having brought this to reality and have us experience this absolute spiritual bliss. Only pranams and wishes to all these wonderful dancers here, because this is a very, very special moment in a dancing student's life to experience and take part in this spectacular and divine event. My sincere gratitude on behalf of all the parents and teachers who've come here with the students, to the respected Guru Dr. Padma for having blessed them with such an event. Thank you and pranams.
As Vineet said, we all owe a great respect and namaskar to Dr. Padma Subramaniam for organizing this great event. Now I request Dr. Padma Subramaniam to come and deliver a special address.
Respected and dear Srimati Priyadarshini Govind, the chief guest of this evening, Srimati Rajalakshmi Ravi, Srimati Aarti Ganesh, Shri Gopal Swami, Shri Manjit Singh, Shri Gurumurthy, all the representatives of institutions whose students are participating in this mammoth Bharatamuni Natyathan, the dance teachers, my adorable young dancers. I am proud of you, my dear children, and also some adults who are danced here. The parents of the dancers and Rasikas, it is with a profound sense of pride that I stand before you as the choreographer of this significant dance event with a few thousands of artists dancing to songs relating to the 6 themes of Initiative for Moral and Cultural Training Foundation. IMCT has been closely working with schools to promote these 6 themes. The themes have already been mentioned. This Bharatamuni Natyathan, I think, is the first of its kind. I am a dance historian. I don't think something like this has happened any time before. It is significant that this Natyathan is named after and dedicated to Bharata Muni, who wrote the Natya Shastra during the time of Valmiki Rishi. Natya Shastra is the earliest extant literature on the theory of drama and communication. The Sanskrit and Tamil term for communication is Abhinaya. This art of communication has been responsible for spreading epic stories and inspiring character all over Asia. If Ramayana is known to the people all over the world, even for those who cannot read and write, it is because of dance and drama. Bharata Muni gives importance for the art of communication as well as the content of what is being presented. Art in India has always been entertaining, educating, and elevating. These 3 E, as I can call it, has been attempted here in this Bharatamuni Natyathan. It is for creating an awareness about, as I said, the 6 themes. These 6 themes are rooted in Hindu philosophy of life, based on the individual's relationship with entire creation. Children can learn these songs and dance them and grow as inseparables with these concepts. Songs have been culled out by Srimati Rajalakshmi, who is right here, along with a small committee. And these songs were sung by Ishai Madalai Ramji's group last year and day before yesterday also for Ganathan. Ganathan had some 15,000 college girls singing. I have used those songs with addition of necessary elements for dance. This event is one of the preamble for Hindu Spiritual and Service Fair, which is to begin on 23rd at Guru Nanak College. We made video recording of my choreography and sent it to institutions and dance teachers who have been training these students. We started this work 2 months ago. I thank Sri Kantan for his effort in video recording, for which 6 of my disciples at Nrityodaya had danced. I have to thank Dr. Gayatri Kannan for assisting me in this project from the beginning, dancing, introducing each song, and doing field work, particularly yesterday, in executing my ground plan for spacing the participants. I also thank Dakshayani Ramachandran for accompanying Gayatri to most of the institutions that we visited to oversee the rehearsals. This Natyathan is unique in many ways. You will be surprised to know that the participants' age ranges from 11 to 50, not 15, 50. Because apart from school students, there are college girls and also well-known dance gurus like Roja Kannan, who danced here today. Can you please get up? And Revati Ramachandran, another guru who danced here along with her students. And these gurus volunteered to dance with the youngsters. Revati also joined our Nrityodaya teachers and a few dance teachers of schools like Srimati Gayatri Sundaram and others yesterday in organizing the group pattern as per my design. It was not an easy task. It took nearly 2 hours to organize the star and the circle. And thanks to you children for all the patience. You have practiced tirelessly, and that is why today you are all getting the accolades. I have to thank the parents who also deserve a word of thanks, because we appreciate your understanding the ethical values. With prayers, one more I have to add is I have to thank B. Kannan in assisting the teachers in guiding the children to stand in their lines. Another significant person to be thanked for the success of this event is Srimati Bama of IMCT. Can I ask her to come? Bama, let them all see you. They only heard your voice in the phone. She has toiled for this event. Thank you. I have also got to thank Sri Manjit Singh and P. Suresh. Sri Manjit Singh is, I think he's here. Please come to the stage. He is a wonderful person. I must mention here that in his Guru Nanak College, he has given leave. He has declared holiday for the entire period of the fair, opened up all the classrooms for the volunteers to stay. Not only that, he has organized morning coffee, breakfast, lunch, evening tea, and night dinner for 7,500 volunteers for the entire period of the fair. Annadata Sukhi Bhava, you are someone special for us. And yesterday, you should have seen him, such a VIP, just going and taping and making sure that the lions are all right. And throughout, he was there in the balcony with me. And another person who was there throughout was our dear Aarti Ganesh. Why I have to mention all this is without the help of everybody, it is impossible to achieve this success. So it is not only Padma Subramaniam, there are so many behind the scene who have helped, who have joined together and make this happen. I want to thank Chandra Electric Works and their technicians. They have toiled to carpet this whole area for our young dancers so that we save their souls. Soulங்கிறது அந்த soul இல்லை, கால் பாதம். ஆனால் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியெல்லாம் ஆடினேன்னா your soul, the other soul also will be saved. You will understand that later. I hope I haven't left out anybody. I want to thank Sri Kantan. I want to thank Sri Kantan, Sri Kantan's assistants, his assistant directors, videographers, and those who recorded and projected the LED. I thank the children and the girls who tirelessly practiced. And another person to be thanked is Arunik, Sri P. Suresh of Arunik Salo. He is not here today, but yesterday he was a great help, great strength to organize this event. I thank Surang Studio, who made the recording theatre free for us. I also thank the media and press for your cooperation. Without your help, without your understanding, we cannot project these values to those who have not come here. Thank you so much for your cooperation. I want to say a word about my dear sister, Dr. Priyadarshini Govind, she has not only created a cult for her graceful dance, but has won a reputation for encouraging young talent. She had administered Kalakshetra with great poise and dignity till recently. I thank her for her presence and for her kind words about me and the wonderful encouragement that she gave to all of you. I would like to mention here that the Doordarshan has recorded the whole dance of this evening, and they'll be telecasting it a little later after editing. It won't be tonight. I would also like to thank the police, home guards, They have been very helpful. They have been really guiding us, and it has been a very smooth function with no untoward happenings. In fact, one of them was hurt here, and immediately the home guard managed to put a bandage, and that child continued dancing. Thank you for this help. I would like to thank Prasanna and Krishnamurthy, who worked on the logistics for people to come and go back. Children, you will all be given your snack packets as you go out. Your exit should be as graceful as your dance. We practiced this also yesterday, but please wait for a few more seconds. After National Anthem, you can go. Thank you all so much. Before I end, I want to tell you, children, please be seated. You all danced so well that it looks like as though I am going to be thrusted with a little more responsibility. People want this to be repeated. Do you want to dance again? Okay, let's hope it happens soon.
Thanks a lot, Ma, on behalf of us for your wonderful speech. On behalf of Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, ABAI, and its President Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, Srimati Priya Murali will now honor Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Now we have come to the end of the program this blessed evening. Now National Anthem. After the National Anthem, Gayatri Kannan will say a few instructions for the children to leave this ground. Now National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Repeat. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Thank you, children. Now listen to the instruction.
Can all the students wait? Nrityodaya, both the groups, please lead the line from either sides. Mahati, go to your left. Samyukta, go to your right. The next group can follow them. All the group parents, please don't get in and take the children. Please wait. They will disperse in an order. The food packets are available in 4 counters outside. We request the representatives to please collect the food packets for all the children. Thank you. Okay, it's a buffet system. The children can go and collect their food packets and go. It's for all the participants. You can go, the children themselves can go and collect the food packets. Please go in an orderly way. Do not crowd around the counters, please. Oh, we don't have a... Inga tharandirka? Please don't crowd here. Move. We request the parents to please don't crowd the gates. Allow the children to